morning, my viewers. Welcome to Novel Tutorial. So today we're discussing mathematics, and our area of concentration is quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. So we are going to be looking at factorization, completing the square method. That's where we will base our concentration on completing the square method. So let's look at how we can use completing the square method to solve quadratic equation. First of all, we know that the general form of a quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to what? 0. Now let's use completing the square method to analyze this solution. Now, first of all, the first step 1, the first thing we need to do now is to move this one over, changing from plus to minus because it's crossing the equality sign. So we have ax squared plus bx is equals to minus c. Now, this first step, the first basic step 1 is divide or make x squared a unity. Are you there? Make x squared a unity. What does it mean to make x squared a unity? Make the coefficient of x squared to be 1. And that means that the coefficient of x squared here is a. So how do you make it a unity? By dividing both sides by a. Make x squared a unity by dividing both sides by a. Now, I will then say ax squared over a plus bx over a is equals to minus c over what? A. Now, we now have a divide a, you are left with x squared plus bx over a is equals to minus c over what? A. Now, step 2. Now, multiply the coefficients of x by half and square it in both sides. Multiply the coefficient of x by half and square it in both sides. Now, we have two x here. The x that is carrying square and the one that is not carrying square. So the one we are looking at is that x that is not having raised to the power of what? 2, which is this one. So the coefficient of x, some students will say that the coefficient of x here is b. No. The coefficient of x here is b over a. Multiply it by half, you have b over a times half. B times 1 is b, all over 2, a times 2 is 2a. And square it in both sides, we have x raised to the power of 2 plus b over 2a all raised to the power of 2 is equals to minus c over a plus b over 2a all raised to the power of 2. Now, because this one will now go because we are now replacing it with b over 2a all raised to the power of 2. Now, x here is carrying square, b over 2 is carrying square. So bring them together and raise them to the power of 2. All raised to the power of 2 is equals to minus c over a plus b over 2a all raised to the power of 2. Now, this one is not carrying square, so you now analyze this one. So it means b over 2a times b over 2a. So b over 2a all raised to the power of 2 means b over 2a times b over 2a. So b times b will now give you b squared over 4a squared. 2 times 2 is 4, and a times a is a raised to the power of 2. So we analyze this one. So you have x plus b over 2a all raised to the power of 2 is equals to minus c over a plus b squared all over 4a squared. Now, because you break this one down, you have b squared, b over 2a times b over 2a. b times b is b squared, and 2a times 2a is 4a squared. So, now, you now arrange them in order of their sign. So, the plus should come first. So, you have x plus b over 2a all raised to the power of 2 is equals to, this one comes first, the one carrying plus comes first. You have plus b over 4a squared. If you like, you remove the plus. Then now take the one carrying minus to the back. You have minus c all over what? A. The LCM of 4a squared and a is still 4a squared. So you now have something like this. So you have 4a squared. 4a squared divided 4a squared is 1. 1 times b squared is b squared. Minus a divided 4a. A squared. You have 4a squared divided by a. So this means 4 times a divided by a. We now have 4a. 4a times c is 4ac. You still have your x plus b over 2a. All raised to power of 2. Now, since you have this, the square will now cross equality sign, changing from square to square root. So you now have x plus b over 2a is equals. Now, when it's now crossing, the plus or minus sign will now be introduced. Now I have square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 4a squared. And you should know that this also means that x plus b over 2a is equals to square root of the up, b squared minus 4ac all over square root of the down, in square root of 4a squared. Now the denominator is a perfect square. Now you now have that, you still have a plus or minus here. So x plus b minus all over 2a is equals to plus or minus b squared minus 4ac all over. The square root of 4 is 2. The square root of 4 is 2 and the square root of a squared is a. If you follow the law of indices, the square root of a squared is a. Now you now move this one over. So you now have x is equals to minus b over 2a plus or minus b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now they are the same. The denominators are the same. So your final answer will now be minus b plus or minus square root of b squared all minus 4ac all over 2a. And this is the one you call the almighty formula, which you can also use to solve quadratic equation. So with this, if you have understood the method of completing the square here, with this you can solve any equation given to you in quadratic equation that you have been asked to use completing the square method. Thank you very much. Make sure you subscribe.